In this video, you are going to see how to change the text box size in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have a blank presentation. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. Now let us add some demo text over here. Here I have some demo text. If you want to give a outline color, just select the text box, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline and give a outline color. Go to Shape Outline, you can increase or decrease the outline style. Now if you want to resize it, just keep the mouse over this dot and you can resize it like this. Then the text will be resized automatically. If you want to change the outline border, go to Shape Outline, you can change the outline border color. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.